Assalamu alaikum.
सुनहरा का ब्लॉग है। सुनहरा के ब्लॉग को लाइक करना, शेयर करना और सब्सक्राइब करना।
This is my grandma. Rain again, waiting for a taxi. My family is sitting in the front and I'm sitting alone in the back. This is where I used to play with my childhood friends when I was a kid. Now they're all gone and I miss my childhood days playing. Didn't know she was coming with us. She's my childhood best friend. The mountains, the clouds, and the rain. I love it all. So beautiful. I can't believe how beautiful it is outside. The rain is exactly my type. She needs to fix her hijab so many times. Asterisk Betty, why are you recording me? Asterisk. It's been raining non-stop the whole time. So bored just sitting here. Congratulations on our new home. Going home. See you in tomorrow's vlog. I'm going to hang out with my friend at a cafe. I have a gift for another friend. This is my friend. We're going to find a taxi. We're waiting while she checks the taxi booking. They're telling the whole story of how we met as kids. I'm just sitting in the middle, watching them talk. It's so beautiful outside, and it's raining. We're trying to find the cafe on the map. Found the cafe. Ah, she gifted me this. I love it. My fav pani puri. They said, don't record us, but I did anyway. Walking home, but my pants got wet.
हम लोग बारिश में आ रहे थे। पूरा हम लोग ऊपर तो सेफ है, नीचे से पूरा पानी भर गया था। हमारी जीन्स पूरी।
I'm going to eat. Bye. See you in the next vlog.